So I'm excited today because I got my Drape Fit boxing. It's a personal styling company. I sent them in my measurements and the styles that I like, and they worked with me to come up with this good box. It came in 5 days. I reviewed all the items and they all fit good. I have this dress on from them right now. They have free exchanges, they have free returns, so if you get your box and if the sizes aren't right, they could return it for you and send you in some more things. They also have gift cards. You know, the holidays are coming up. If you want to gift someone some clothes or a Drape Fit box, they would love this. They have so many good options. They have things for events, casuals, even going out, family dinners. They have all types of good clothes that you can wear. So sign up. It took a couple of days. The sign up process was super easy. I just went to their website, on the Drape Fit website, and then I selected the clothes that I liked and I talked with the stylist, and they're real good with their customer service. They had got back with me really fast. So this is the box that I had got, and this is a little romper that I had got. This is what it looks like. It has a little gold chain on here. This is really something nice that you can wear going out casual, going to a dinner or a family event. They even sent me a purse. This is really cute. This is a really cute pink color purse. And I even have some jeans in here. I sent them the measurements for my jeans, and these ones fit really good. So go ahead, sign up with Drape Fit. It was real simple, 5-minute process. You get your clothes within 5 days, affordable clothes. So go ahead, sign up, refer a friend. The holidays are coming up. You know, you can get you some good fashionable clothes.